Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change to light theme on Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using Asana and you want to go ahead and change it to a lighter theme because you want it to be a bit brighter on your screen. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Asana. Next, you're going to click on the profile icon on the upper right-hand corner. Next, you're going to click on Settings. Then from here, you're going to click on Display. So from Display, you're going to see this option here called Theme. You can click on this toggle button, and then you can either sync the theme with system settings or change to a light theme or a dark theme. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change to light theme on Asana. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.